I really hope you guys can't see the food all over my shirt, but it is Sunday night and tomorrow baby's gonna be here. I'm so excited. I'm a little nervous. I feel like it's strange because I'm gonna have 3 kids. I've only had Nick and Nellie for the past 12 years. Now I'm about to have baby number 3. Yeah, it's really an indescribable feeling, honestly. I don't know. I'm like nervous and excited at the same time. I just can't wait to see his little face and hold him and kiss him, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I just keep looking at all the little clothes, like he's really gonna be here. Like, we waited all this time and he's really gonna be here finally tomorrow. The last thing I had to do was sterilize the bottles and pacifiers and breast pumps and whatever today, and I did that today. So I am done. I don't go in until 5:30. I go in at 3:30. They're doing the surgery at 5:30. But I can't eat for 8 hours prior, so I can't eat after 9 a.m. So I have to get up early in order to eat a nice big breakfast before 9 a.m. because otherwise I can't, and then I'm gonna starve, and then I'm gonna be hangry the whole day. And yeah, it says, the paper says I can't eat or drink anything, like not even water. But I feel like I need to drink water if I'm not eating, so, or at least eat ice chips or something, like, I don't know. So I might drink a little bit of water because this baby got me thirsty, and I be drinking water all day, every day. So yeah, but I'm so excited. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna vlog tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So today's the day. Baby P's coming today. Don't mind my face. I'm doing a little cleansing mask thing, trying to just relax and get my nerves together before we go in later. Yeah, I'm just like, oh, I should do laundry. Oh, I should do this. And I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. And then I don't want to overwork myself to where I get hungry because I can't eat probably until tomorrow. And it is, I think it's only like 10 o'clock, 10 something. So we're gonna leave it like 2:30 to get there by 3:30. This is when I have to check in at 3:30, and then baby's coming at 5:30. Probably give or take a couple, because I don't know if they're gonna do it exactly at 5:30 or if it's like a, well, you're here, so let's just get it over with kind of thing. I don't know. P is on his way home. On his way here, he went to work for a couple of hours. He's on his way back here. And then I think we're just gonna chill until it's time to go because I don't really have much to do. I'm gonna take a shower, obviously. I'm gonna do light makeup because I don't want to look a mess while I'm on photos and, you know, all drugged up. I don't want to look a mess. So I'm gonna do a very light makeup so that I look like something. And yeah, I don't know. I'm really nervous. Try not to be nervous anyways. But surgery is surgery, regardless of how many times I've done it. It's, you know, I've had 2 C-sections previously, so I know what to expect. I know what's gonna happen, but it's still surgery, and, you know, I'm nervous because it's been so long as well. My back is really hurting, and I'm like, been having contractions, and I'm like, you know, it would be funny if I freaking went into labor before I get there. So I'm trying to sit down. I'm watching Under the Tuscan Sun. I love that movie. So I'm just gonna chill, probably do some journaling just to reflect, and then start getting ready and leave. So this is my baby ready face. I have to take out my nose ring and take off my bracelet because I can't wear jewelry. But yeah, I'm ready. We have, I mean, we weren't gonna leave until 2:30 and it's 1:30. But Pete's like, we can leave now. But I feel like if I get there early, then they're gonna do it early and then my kids are not gonna be there and it's just, I don't know. But we might actually leave so that we can beat traffic if there is traffic. And I'm so hungry. My stomach is growling so bad. And it's, I know I'm not supposed to drink water, but I've been taking like little tiny sips of water because my mouth is dry. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. It's just really comfy. And I'm out of breath. So we're at the hospital. Baby's carrying my bag and pillow.
You about to have a baby, good.
I'm a good. I'm about to be a whole ass baby.
Go ass out of there.
Oh my god, I need him out. It hurts. I am in uncomfortability. That's not a proper sentence, but I don't even care. I'm not, baby. Do you know what floor we're going to?
The main one?
Are we going down or up?
Oh. You drove down. We're going up.
Yeah, but I wasn't paying attention to it. My back hurts. Ooh, this is a fancy elevator.
It's dirty.
I'm talking about the walls, the wood walls. To the windows. Do you have anything to say to baby P?
You got a lot of expectations. You got time to reach them. I'm gonna hold you to every single one of them.
How about I love you and I'm excited to see your face?
Oh, that's a given.
Not you a grown ass man and you got some responsibilities already.
Oh, that's a given. It's almost time, baby.
I know.
I'm about to be up out of there.
I know. He was like in there throwing a fit or something.
Cause you know he coming out, nigga. It's a party. Eviction day.
Bad. He just keeps on falling up.
Well, when he get out, he can stretch out.
Yeah. And I'm cold.
You want another blanket?
Need food.
I can't help you with that right now. I can get you a blanket.
This IV, the cold liquid, like going in, it's not helping.
Hey.
It's too colder.
Merry Christmas.
I know. I got another Christmas baby.
Nick, your little brother's on his way. How do you feel?
Good.
What?
Good.
You got any words for him? Say something nice. Or say something that's more than one word.
More than one word. Say something to him. Hello and welcome to the new world.
Mimi.
Dominic's is pretty special.
Mimi.
What?
Say hi to the baby.
I don't want to say hi to him.
Oh, well, you can go home.
I'm gonna kiss his face when he comes out. Millie.
Say hi.
Hi, person.
Any words?
Hi.
Besides hi?
Hello.
Y'all lame.
Good day. How you doing? How you doing? We can't wait to see you.
Finally get to see what you look like since you never showed your face.
Yeah. He never would show his face?
Mm-mm.
No, not everything.
None of them.
Open your eyes up.
Welcome to the world,
Open
Preston.
up your eyes.
Say something to the camera.
Say I'm hungry.
That's
Okay.
exactly what that meant.
You still looking for it? It's not over there. It's not over there no more. I don't have them swallowed or wrapped up like that.
Well, because we just took them off the boob.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing skin to skin, so that's keeping it warm.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Put them back on the boob
Yeah.
or swallow them up.
Yeah.
Looks red.
Pink, pink, huh? Yeah. You look white, baby. For now. Yeah, for now. Yeah.
All right, sit down.
Okay, so now.
You gotta support his head. So,
Okay, look here, let me show you. Look.
He's covering his face.
He covered his face.
is your breath funky?
Probably. Smell like cheeseburger still. Or no, it smell like sandwiches now. Oh, good girl. You gonna flash people? Yeah, I know they got it yet to do. Yeah, we gotta fix your clothes though.
Auntie in the building. Probably some food.
We gotta fix your clothes. She said,
I ain't mad at you, Nelly. I don't be liking to hold new babies unless they mine.
I know, right?
He didn't give you no color.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't give you no color.
You gonna get some sun? Relax.
Caucasian.
Just
He
Caucasian.
do look white though, don't he?
I say he like more like Dominic, but then when Dominic came out,
Yeah, Dominic was white. He was.
he like
Yes, he was. Dominic was pink.
Y'all talking about it like
Well, yeah,
Like he not sitting right there.
He was pink.
Grandma gonna tell me, is that the milk man's baby? I was like,
Oh,
excuse me. So the baby's finally here. We cannot record in the what you call it? The OR. They told us recording was out of the question, but we could take pictures. So Well, that's what we did. How you feel, baby?
Right.
Good. You tired?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm really tired. And I'm really hungry. Baby's been on the boob majority of the time, so I couldn't go to sleep. But now he's in his bed. And I'm about to try to go to sleep.